Came out today, West Bay, Galveston. Few storms in the sky. Turning on the seawall this morning, I saw a water spout, not too far off the shore, in the distance. But just to let you know what kind of systems are running through today. Thunderstorms. The actual percentage of rain was low. I hope that stays true, but as you can see, clear overhead and in the distance, some thunderstorms rolling through the area. Hopefully stay dry. Fishing forecast today was kind of average. We do have high tide. High tide was around just right before sunrise, so we'll be fishing a outgoing tide most of the day. Looks like the best chance for the fish are at high tide and at low tide, which is normally the case. So according to the forecast, the best bite should be around noon. We'll see if we make it that far, that long. Winds are about 6 miles an hour. Really not much winds in the bay today. Hopefully it stays that way, especially when paddling back. That was something nice and big right there. A few guards in this channel, so that might have been what it was. But throwing some live shrimp, few artificials as normal, and hopefully we'll put some meat on the stringer. We'll see. Beautiful rainbow out. All right, so this is my rig, my setup, which is pretty standard for me. I use a Carolina rig on top, coming through with a little sinker right here, little egg sinker. Pretty light tackle for today, pretty light sinker for today. And then I followed up by a pretty long line before you get to the hook, which this line's about 18 inches. And weapon of choice today is a shrimp. This is a little small one, but we'll see if it gets the job done. We'll just go from there. Let's see. Hopefully not another hard head, but it feels like it. Some head shakes. Smell right at me. Oh, nope. Little drum. Now, he's very small. Nice little drum. Male, croaking. Look, he got a spot here, and a spot here. He has 3 spots on one side. Couple on top. A little bit of blue in his tail. Oh, buddy, don't get bigger. We'll catch you next time, okay? Something good on here. Something very good on here. Look like a trout, maybe. Might be a little. Oh yeah, I see a trout. You know what? My net is not big enough for him. My net was not big enough for this guy. I love it. Let's see. Not personal best, but he is 22-inch solid. 22-inch. 22-incher. Look at that guy. Goodness gracious. Look how pretty that fish is. Man, that's gorgeous. That was my first cast on this side. Live shrimp. Great looking trout. The big keepers have been eluding me lately, but so blessed to have this one. That is a beautiful fish. Now just right here, where you see that sign at right there, there's a drop. It drops down, several feet, and there's a water break to preserve this side, or in case of storm. I really don't know what the reasoning behind it, but as an outgoing tide, some of the bait fish come out, and right before you get to that sign, there's a little ditch. So a lot of times on that outgoing tide, I'll come and try to fish that little ditch, and it's all along the side. If you're in the West Bay area, see a lot of the boaters, they're fishing the opposite side where the actual drop is. I'll fish that side too as well, but this is a great little spot to know your area, familiar with your sounding, and just try it. The water was much clearer on this side than the other side that I was just fishing on, so I thought I'll give it a shot before I actually went to the other side to drop and fished. I'm glad I didn't, but it looks like somebody saw my handiwork, so they're getting a little closer to this side, which is fine. As long as we don't cross lines, I don't care. Thought that would give me a little more room than that, but apparently not. It's alright, I'm gonna recast and see if I can get their boat. Ah! Come on, fucker. I screwed that all up.
You made me worry a little bit.
I made myself worried. I'm glad I have it on the GoPro, so my friends can make fun of me later. Dang it. 22-inch trout on the chicken boy. Whew. All right, so that's a wrap. Came out to West Bay today, do some live shrimp, few artificials. I ended up with two 22-inch trout, speckled trouts, one on live shrimp and one on the chicken boy lure. It was pearl with the pink tail. I had a great day on the water. We had some storms rolling through. Finally got pushed off the water by a few thunderstorms, but that's fine. Still had a great day. Water clarity was decent in some parts. It was very clear in some other parts. Wind wasn't too bad. There was a lot of bait in the water, a lot of shad in the water, some few mullets, and some piggy perch in the water as well, or pin perch, pinfish, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, thanks again. Thank you for the views. Hope you like what you see here. Don't forget to click on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.